Do you have problems with the quadratic formula? Here's a short video explaining exactly how to use the quadratic formula. Alright, so this is the quadratic formula. Alright, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. A lot going on there, right? Now, we tend to use this formula to solve quadratic equations, especially when it's difficult to find figures to split the middle term. So, like in this example, you see I have here, I have a 5 and a negative 3. Using the first by last method, if I multiply 5 by negative 3, what I'll get there is negative 15. Now, usually we'll try to find two factors of 15 that will give us this middle term here, 7. But there are no factors that I could think of. If you think about like 3 and 5, 1 and 15, that would be able to give us a 7. This is when we use the quadratic formula, right? Now, to use the quadratic formula, we need to know where we get in b, a, and c from. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so the key to using this quadratic formula is knowing where we get in these values that we have in the formula a, b, and c. Now, this will come from the quadratic equation, right? The number that is in front of x squared is what we get our a value from. The number in front of x is where we get our b value from. And the last value here, this constant value, is where we get c, right? Now, remember, when you're doing this, you always take the sign of the number. So you see here, I have a is 5, b is 7, c is minus 3. Similarly, underneath here, a is going to be negative 6, b is going to be positive 5, and c is going to be 7. Once you do that, you're halfway through. Alright, so now you know everything to use this formula correctly. If you would like to see an example of this formula, give this video a like and drop in the comments example, and I will see you in the next one.